Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to import off-road racing. You need to create a 3D building rendering pipeline for Unity 6. This is an empty project. You just need to import the package. You can download from package manager. Here is import key. Install post-processing for your project. This is for graphics. Okay, now you need to import everything and every project setting. The current project setting is for mobile platform. You can switch to the mobile before importing this pack. The default setting is for mobile, Android. Now you can import easily into your project without any problem. Wait to compile a script and press this option. Now wait to complete import. Okay. Now you can easily open the garage scene. Here you can easily switch your mobile screen, or you can use simulator. Here is not too much new device. Everything looks good. Here you can see the default setting. Select level. Start the game. As you can see, the game automatically switched to the mobile editor mode. Here you can see the default setting, the target frame rate, the starting score. To delete the game save data, you need to play the game and press H key. When you press the H key, all save data will be removed, and when you play again, the default setting will be low. Okay, when you play a scene, you can find the input system actions here. The game automatically switch to the keyboard when you run in the editor or on the PC. Automatically use keyboard inputs. Nice. When you export for Android or iOS, your input system will automatically switch to your target platform. You can disable auto switch and choose your input mode manually. Here, as you can see, the mobile control is appear. From here you can use joystick, display FPS, everything that you like. Display FPS, sound shaft, and so on. As you can see, the joystick is coming. Okay. Now you can open documentation files, import card tutorial video, and tips and tricks. Everything is ready to export for mobile platform. Here you can change its name, and everything is ready for mobile platforms. I hope this video is useful to you.